evidence to suggest that with long-term mindfulness meditation practice, the rate at which the amygdala recovers from an adverse event gets shorter. So it recovers more quickly.
So
but it only does that after a fair amount of practice.
So what do you do in mindfulness meditation? What's the actual tactic that you're practicing, or the skill?
Well, the actual tactic is a version of the kind of labeling that you described, which is acknowledging these thoughts and feelings, but not overly identifying with them, observing that they're present, and not being carried away by them, and acknowledging them for what they are. This is a thought. This is a feeling, and not treating them particularly in any kind of special way. And that helps to recover more quickly.